Oh, he wasn't recording. Okay, listen to me. If you could make at least $100 to $200 a day for 5 days. Say $100 for 5 days. That's $500 a week, people. That's all the profit you have to make for a day. $100. You'll make $500 a week, and you multiply that times 100. That's $500 a week, and then times 4. I mean 4 weeks. That's $2,000 a month. Extra money coming into your pocket. Just think about it. Sign up with my link. With Robinhood, you can do the same trading, or Webull. I'll put links to both of it on this video. Trust me, I've been making money. I have been making money. I want to show you in my past years. Let me show you my past years. Hold on 1 second. What's the past years? Oh, here. Look at this. Had I kept my AMC stock and waited till today, which is, it went up to at least 56 something, but I sold off at 55.21. Look at that. March 19. Just March 19. That's only March, April, May, June. How many months is that? From then to now, the stock is up to $56 a share. And it was up higher. You see? Had I kept it, look, 170 shares at $14 a share I sold for. But look at that. I sold it off, and it was $23.80 in profit. Not profit, but very low, because I only bought like $5 or $6 a share. So I know I made a profit there. And then look at the next one. Let me scroll up a little bit. GE. These are GEs. So you could see GEs. But look at this one. Look at this one. 100 shares. Back in March again, I sold 100 shares. And I sold it off for $1,411. And you see, back then it was only $14. Because I didn't know if to take the chance. But a profit is a profit. Just think about it. You could always buy different stocks. And this is how you can make your money, your extra money every month. And you could quit your job sooner or later. Because if you can make $100 to $200, let's go to $200 a day. $200 times 5 days is $1,000 a week. Times that by 4 weeks, you got $4,000 a month. You see that? That's my name up at the top. I don't have to let people see it, so I'm just gonna go like this. But at least you saw my name. But look at that. You could make $4,000 a week if you're making $200 a day. But if you make $100, even is okay. Yeah, you made $50 is okay, because you're still gonna get extra money. Instead of $2,000 with $50 a day you could make in profit, multiply that by 4 weeks. I mean, $50 times 5 days is $250 a week, right? Times 4 weeks. How much you got it? $250 times 4 weeks. That's $1,000 a month. $1,000 a month extra income in your pocket. At that point you don't have to quit your job yet, but you get that extra money. Put your money, when you get this extra money, you can, to avoid the taxes, you could put it into an IRA account. They allow you up to $7,000 in a single IRA account. An individual IRA, not individual. Yeah, traditional IRA. They have different IRAs. They got Roth IRAs and stuff. But just do the regular IRA. $7,000 you could save from being taxed. And if you're a couple, a married couple, you can save $14,000 or more, I think, into it. You can put away $14,000 from the IRS. Is not gonna tax you for that year. So you're saving money if you do it that way. Put it in the IRA. They don't care. They give you a certain amount of money to put in the IRA. See, I haven't tell a lot of people that. Even my ex, I didn't tell her. Well, I did tell her, but she didn't want to listen. So she could have saved some money. But hey, everybody, you live, you learn from your mistakes. So look at that. Had I kept my stock, look at that stock. I only sold it out for $1,411 at $14.11 a share, 100 shares. Imagine if I had kept it. You do the math. Imagine I kept it to $56 and sell it off. That's 100 times $56. That's $5,600 instead of $1,411. I'll put link to trade to open your own broker account. Who wants to learn? I got Robinhood and I got Webull. So you will learn from that. From my link, you just sign up, deposit $100 in your own account, and that's it. Nobody's gonna rob you. There's no cheat in this. $100 in there is yours. You can do your day trading how many times you want, as long as you don't take out any margin trading. Do any margin. So, you know, a lot of people don't know this, but you could trade up to the amount you have in your account. So if it's $100, you could keep trading all day long with $100. Doesn't matter. Yes, the ideas are rolling in my head. The gears are turning in my head. So I'm thinking of what I can do. So because I have margin account, I'm only limited. I can only trade 3 times a week. 3 times in a 5-day rolling period, I believe it is. So, it's a little blurry because I'm videoing off my tablet. And, hey, maybe I should just put it on that screen up there. It's okay. I'll do a better thing, but you're listening to me. Oh, you can see it now, see? So there you go. I'm videoing off my tablet, which I could have. Well, there's no option to cast it from here, I think. I'm gonna check that out and see. Let me see. Give me 1 second. But listen, you could make your extra money. I've been telling people, nobody wants to listen. Yeah, I just want to show you what I sold today. 1 hour ago, I sold AMC for 5 shares I had left back in my account, and I sold it at $55.21. So I made I sold it for $276. I only bought the shares for $32. I mean, total, the 5 shares, if you divide it, was like, about $6 a share. Had I kept that other shares that I'm showing you now, you can't wish, certain things are going to be like that. Look at it. Dogecoin, I bought a whole lot of Dogecoin and kept it. Robinhood kept messing up my account when I tried to sell only a few, and they had a problem with their broker system. Yeah, the Robinhood system was messing everything up. They sold off all my shares. They're trying to tell me it's my fault. It's not my fault, but that's another topic. But look at that. You see, May 13, I bought it at 42 cents Dogecoin. At one point, Dogecoin was up higher, but then Elon Musk started to talk and messed up everything on Saturday Night Live. The more he talks, the more he messes up everything. People are, they bought Dogecoin. Look at that. 55 cents a share, I bought it for once, and then it went down. It's down to like 31 cents a share. But anyway, this gives you an idea how you could make a little bit of money every week. You could make at least $50 to $100 in profit, $250 for $50, $250 total per week. And then if you make $100, it's going to be $500 a week. So, $500 a week times 4 is $2,000 a month. That's not bad, right? Yeah, think about it. It's a very good thing to trade, and you could trade all day long. With a little bit of money, you don't have to have a lot of money. I'm doing it for my sister too. And other people I'm teaching, showing them how to do it, Because not a lot of people know about this. So I hope some of you will listen, sign up with my link on my YouTube links. It's gonna be posted at the bottom of my on the bottom of my videos, so you have a chance to sign up. Oh, I forgot to tell you, when you sign up for Robinhood or Webull, you're gonna get free stocks. They were doing, I think they were doing 2 stocks, but now I think it's still back. It's back to 1. Let me see. I'm gonna tell you free stocks. You see, if I click on free stock, look at it. I click on, I'll click on the free stock thing. Let's see. See, free stock. Invite friends, get free stock. See. So if you sign up with my link, here's my link. I'm gonna post it. See, when I copy the link, join. See that? join.robinhood.com/GB24. Then you will get your free stock. Let me see how much stock they'll give you. Yeah, see? Get free stocks. See? I claimed my free stock already before for everyone that signed up under my link. But you could do the same. See? Look at that part. I mean, look at that. I don't want to make this video too long because then you get bored. But you can fast forward. It doesn't matter. See, I claim 1 share of COTY in September 18. They give me a free share, you see. But I had more than that. I collected more than that in free stocks. I'm going to show you. Yeah, but sign up and learn to trade a little bit. You just follow. You can follow the guy in the video. I'll post link to their video. But they are very smart. Some days you're gonna make the money, some days you're not. But as with everything, there's a little risk. You don't have to risk a lot of money, to make a few dollars every day. Hey, it'd be worth the fun to try it out. Just like going to the casino. But the only thing is, you still will own the shares if it doesn't sell for the price that you want. So you don't lose your money like that. But if you go to the casino, you gamble your money. That's it. You lost your money and you can't get back your money. But with stock, it can go down, and then it'll be worth a little bit lesser, but you still will be owning the stock. I mean, I'll post more video. This is just a starting point for me now that I have an idea what I want to do to help other people make a little bit of money every day so they can help themselves. That extra money income comes in, you could buy extra things, Yeah, plus pay some of your bills with it, if you wanted to. But you could treat yourself because you never thought of that money coming in, and you can save some of it. So I will be posting this video shortly. I'm gonna edit a little bit of it, but it's pretty nice. Good thing to hear about it. Here's a link. I'm gonna send you a link for TradingView. This site is called TradingView. You see how nice it is? And it gives you the stock market before trading. They call it pre-market. So pre-market, they'll give you the in the pre-market before 9:30, they'll start showing what the stock is trading at. Not every broker wants to give you that kind of information. You're supposed to pay for it. I got the free account, so I don't have to pay for anything. It's free. But they have more updated stuff. You see on the right, when I added all the stocks I'm watching, it doesn't necessarily mean I'm trading them, just watching them, the prices. The guys on the live thing is talking. I'm just listening to them and adding the stock on trading views. I can watch to see what these stocks are trading, if I'm interested in them. I don't go with everything they say because they're not always right. But you have to take, you have to do your little research, learn trading, learn about charting. But you could just take a chance. You don't have to learn anything. If you take a chance, you buy at a low price, buy low, sell high. That's all it's saying. Oops. I think see, this is it here, but my video is poorly made because I didn't put on a stand or anything. But I wasn't really prepared. But the idea hit me, gears are turning in my head. I said, you know what? Let me make a video to help people to make some money. And if they get free stocks, I'll get free stocks when they sign up. The link will be below my videos, like this one, like this guy. These guys are doing live. They do YouTube live. I could do that later on, but I don't have anything live to talk about right now. Well, I do, but I prefer in a video. I don't like to do too much live stuff. I will think about it if I want to later on. You see, look, I cast it to my TV and it's showing live. They are on live, really. They're talking live up there. As you can see, it says Trader TV Live. You could do that in your YouTube channel too. I used to do it. I used to make a little bit money on YouTube, but their policy has changed. They have cut down a lot of profits of people. Some people are angry about it, but you have to roll with the punches. You have to you adjust it, because hey, the next best thing I heard was TikTok. I'm not too familiar with TikTok, but what I know, the thing I don't like about TikTok, they only give you 1 minute. All this video, I have to edit it down to 1 minute, and it's kind of hard on me to do. But I learn it. I learn it. I always learn stuff. All right. Goodbye.